Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial of knitting. As you know, cast on is important when we start knitting. Today I'm going to show you another way, another technique, another method of casting on, and another method of making the slip knot. So pass around the index finger of the left hand, then move pass here, this the second part of the yarn, and make this. I repeat it, I make it see, I'll show it another time. Once more, twice around the index finger of the left hand, move here the second part of the yarn, and here it is. Now today we're going to use the needle in the left side, and we're going to keep the yarn into the right hand, and we should make this movement, this like this. We're going to use the index of the right hand and make this, and keep with the other fingers the yarn a little bit stretched. Now insert the needle here, and that's it. Again, insert the needle here, and that's it. Again, this is a method, a technique, a cast on technique, when we want to knit the knit stitch. It's indicated when we want to knit the knit stitch. Again, and that's it. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.